Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids, the problem number 156. A tetrahedron of side 40 mm is resting on one of its sides on HP. The side is parallel to VP and 40 mm away from it. It is tilted such that the resting side containing the resting side it is tilted such that the resting side of the base containing this edge is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Draw the projections of the solids. So this is the problem and this is the final solution. To do that, first we will go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. The left corner 0, 0, upper right corner, so 297, 210, then zoom all. Then go to line, select this and take at the rate 297 less than 0, at the rate 210 less than 90, at the rate 297 less than 180, say close. So this is the another form of inputs which we can give by using AutoCAD. So then you just go to layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name XY. Click on new layer, type the layer by name axis. Click on new, type the layer by name front view. Click on new, type the layer by name top view. Click on new, type the layer by name front view hidden. And click on new, type the layer by name top view hidden. So one should do that. So go to layer 0, make the line weight as 0.05. XY line will be of 0.13. Then the axis line again will be of 0.05. And the front view will be having 0.5 and the top view will also have 0.5 and the front view hidden will going to be of 0.3 and the top view hidden will be of 0.3 now. So you just come down to continuous, go to load, click on center and say OK, click on load, type hidden and say OK, click on hidden and say OK, and this front view hidden will also have hidden layer, hidden line type, and this axis will going to have the center line type. So this axis will have magenta color and this front view will going to have the red color and the top view will going to have blue color, and then again the front view hidden will be having red color and the top view hidden will going to be of blue color. Say finally OK. Now we go for Polygon Command. So the first is we need to create 40 mm side. So just go to number of sides is 3 because the triangle. So the edge option. So take 40 and enter. So we just take 40 and enter. So now we have 40 mm side. So here you just go to line. You take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then similarly go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this. So now you just go to this and go to layer, make that layer as top view now. And you just go to line where display on. So you just draw a horizontal line of any distance. And then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal vertical line to the front view. So draw perpendicular to this. Then go to circle, take INT of this and take the radius as 40. Then go to break this line till here. So you break this line till here. Then go to erase and then just go to trim. Select this line and trim this. Now here you just come down to this, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, INT of this and take INT of this now. So you just go to trim, select between these two cutting edges and you just go to object to trim this line and this line. Then you just go to break this line till here and you just select this line. Go to layer, make that layer as axis and take the distance as 10. So you just select between these two and you select this line and go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now once you do that, then you just come down to the zoom window and then just go to copy, select this entire thing and copy it to the next position. and then you take this rotation angle as 30 degrees, then go to copy, select this, then you just go to rotate, select this and take the intersection part of this and rotate by an angle of 30 degrees. Then go to line, take INT of this and you just take intersection of these two. It was on the edge, so you just go to line, take INT of this and then you just go to line, take INT of this. Then you just go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. And just go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and then you similarly you take line INT of this. So you just go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim, select these two as the cutting edges and these two as the object to trim. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection this and take INT of this and take intersection part of this. Then you just go to break, select this line, take first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Now you go for all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and these two are visible. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just click on this line and you just go to layer, make that layer as top. So top view hidden, take this hidden layer and make that layer as 20. So once you do that, so you just go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line. And similarly from here you take this on this side. So once you do that, you rotate it and keep it at 40 mm. So then go to copy, select this entire drawing and copy it to the next position and then go to rotate, select this and you rotate it in counterclockwise direction. So you just keep it like this and you keep the distance about 40 mm. You just go to 40 offset the distance as 40. Then you just go to move, select this, go to nearest point and take perpendicular to this line. Once you do that, so you just go to erase, then go to move, select this and move it inside and you just go to line, take INT of this and then you just go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, you just go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular and similarly line you take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this and then take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this and take INT of this and take intersection part of this now. So now we have completed this sketch now. So now you just go to break this line, take first point, take INT of this and say the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. So what happens, all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible and so this line is also visible. So you make this as front view. Now this line will going to be the axis line. You just click on this and go to layer, make that layer as axis and take the distance as phi. Now we just go to this line and this line and this line, you just go to layer, make that layer as xy now. So once you do that, then you just go to break this line till here, then you just go to DDIM, then go to modify, take the decimal in degrees, so you make it as 3, align with the dimension line, center becomes above, take offset from the dimension line as 3, arrow size as 3 and the lines offset from the origin as 3 now. Then you just click OK. Now we go for switch off this ortho mode, then go to dim, take intersection of this and take INT of this. So we're going to get it as 40 mm. Then you just take INT of this and take INT of this and you take 40 mm and then just go to angular. So go to dim, take angular, select between these two. So you're going to get 30 degrees. Then you just go to intersection point of this and take INT of this. So you're going to get it as 40 mm. Then just come down to dim TED, text edit dimension, and you keep it here as 30 degrees. Now we need to go for detext now. So to do that, you just go to specify head as 3. Then you take X, you take it as BP, and this as HP, and this as capital Y. So here A, B, and C. Here it is O. Here it is O1 in bracket. So here it is O dash. Here it is O1 dash in bracket. Then we have A dash. Here we have B dash. And then we have C dash in bracket. And once you do that, you just go to A and you place it here, and O1, you take it as O, you take it as C, you take it as B. So here you have it as HP, here it as BP, then O dash, then A dash, then C dash, then O1 dash, then B dash. Now we have VP, A dash, C dash, O1 dash, O dash, B dash. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then you just click on HP, C, A, O1, O, and B. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just go to copy, select A dash, and then C dash, then O1 dash, then B dash, then O dash, then we have A, that A will come here, then you will copy B, and that B will come here, then you have C, that C will come here, and you copy O, that O will come here, and you copy O1, that O1 will come here. Then now we have, just you move this and you place it here. So now we have detext. So here you have detext. So you take O dash, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is O1 dash. So then we have move, you take A dash, you take C dash, you take O1 dash, you take B dash, you take O dash. Now you just click on O dash, A dash, O1 dash, B dash, and C dash. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing, and I think we have changed this. Okay. So this is your final solution to create the tetrahedron of 40 mm side, such that the base containing that edges makes an angle of 30 degrees, and that base is parallel to VP at a distance of 40 mm from the in front of VP. So this is how you will be able to write the solution, and that solution and this solution is one and the same. Thank you.